The way we manage our money affects every aspect of our lives, yet there is still no one officially teaching us how to do this. Therefore, people strive to earn money throughout their lives, but they miss opportunities to earn money each time. I define myself as a financial kindergarten teacher. When working with my clients, we address two main topics. The first topic is financial matters. What can we say? How do we create a budget? How do we evaluate our savings? How can we gain control over our debts? How can we see more income, more earnings, more profit, and investment opportunities? How can we technically increase our inputs regarding financial wealth? The first step towards financial wholeness is to be able to integrate our physical and bodily condition into this new, prosperous year. One of our fundamental problems, as we just discussed, is the lack of financial education. The most fundamental thing that needs to be taught in all schools is financial education and financial literacy training. As education begins, we must not forget that we are all truly working for money in our own internal transformations. Money places us at a certain level in our lives, both in terms of status and in our emotional well-being and relationships. Then, I suggest starting the process of enriching ourselves financially by asking this question about money. What do we really want to buy with our money? I think everyone should think about this. I should ask myself, if I had money and reached the amount I wanted, what would I want to buy? I would want to dive. For example, I personally ask myself this question, and when I ask it, a single answer emerges in my mind. I want to buy my financial freedom with my money. I am working for this. I am making plans for this. What is important to me is to have control and mastery over my financial freedom until the end of my life. At the core of all the decisions I make and in all my financial tendencies, there is my obsession with financial freedom. I recommend that you also develop such beneficial obsessions, because when you acquire such beneficial obsessions, your life will inevitably transform in that direction.